And some so Ghana has say akosansense me da sorry a video bi and in social media not kind abrantie bi a obon humodin ye pa Ghana music industry no watoto ensem bi de amane sa akode na afen so payday of R2Bs na ne nsem ne de enye nsem ketwa ma munim not kind ne picture and the screen so abrantie bi a obema ne ho so ye pa mre bi atwam kramponte e beto dwane se na posigi ena e manage no woni akwabo abebo onyom woni sa akwode abebo onyom na afei ya nhada antene nka biem na nsia kwapo no na ye shata michi pictures bi circulate on social media na watare ne nsem se bebre waye video bi aba beto dwane nsam de waka bi ne nsam no wo to mane e sa akwode pa ne payday wo se omo free tama ehwa na chese kakran magidi wo wiase ene eba ne fan base omo wo eba no good music omo wo chese Ghana superstars de we omo free ma enye na mmom ade ba ko ne se omo support young artists omo watema especially ono notika emposa akodo ne na bonyom a ene anyom no social media sa akodo anyom no kwa no posting ba ko pe every one no wonya support bia every omo nchen na ono the talent no de nam kekenye se be ni do musika efe se o tema musician na se tema rapper bi ba so sankrofo mienu e betumi a support no kama na o kan ampo ka se other artists bi o ma beba so de ayo mo post omo support na so no notika de eja woni nienti asa akode ni payday omo supporting ensem de abrantie ahwe bi agu yentie no emrain
and then Monday holiday ruler me de only me work competition wa seb ise me ni obi any competition no ma sorry you are no pay am na me baby me name me fans for na interact me ni obi any no Charlie Oshena say odebi wo competition wa agasa jo se akwada odede ko bobo ro bobo ejudede ko ede akwada ni go trumika on trumika de odede ti wo de nyom to so de ya chede na nyom to ya chede de nyame de obi bia de ama no se wo ho nti wo no your own is special, mine is special. Say what you say. And yes, say, Bibi. I started it, then to say, kakra, a groupie fan base, and then kakra, and a huge fan base. See, I say, Yeshua, I feel the whole street. Say what you say. We know they need anything to fill the street. Greatness, they need just a little touch. Greatness, they need just small touch. Greatness, no, they need kofa we bra. There be no greatness. Greatness, there be kitu pen a touch no. Na man I effect. Say what they say. And yes, say back of fire, but no just say oh ye kesi. There be unye kesi. Say oh swan. Say nyame shao na wa ye kesi if you are great. Nyama be bro ho a omre ho, on stress ho. Say oh say 029 kra ehu hia so bi ba so wo na emu etu ama. Say what you say. Say who didi ra ni so bi be feed you. Wo ye bibia wa otimi ye wa de fi say nyame shira wa ye kesi unhi obi biara say ombe yesi ma. Say what you say. Ye de nyame shira wa ye kesi. For ya a kwa say a bushu and then you be fill the whole street biom bam until I see an hour dead. And when you say I go fire about that be you are great already. Man, believe in yourself. If you get if you be record or you be record label or whatever, if I believe in your artist, me my record they believe in me. That's why they call me the ruler. If you be record, believe in your artist. Anything where you go can put your artist first. Showcase your artist. Men yes say, oh J.A.E. Glory need the Abema or record. Then what are the artists doing? That be why some record artists pass there, then they go left. They left not then they go blow. Why? Because a record no omo ye pesemin kuminya. Enya artist no mo pe Glory ama no omo pe Glory ni the ama record label no. say what the American say. So if you are an artist, if you are an artist, now or record beer, you should put your eyes down. Now I check it, say, I record there, I mean, are they doing the business for me? Say, me hunting no see record label. Say, me hunting no more ye juma. And I say, omo ye juma ide amo mwanga so mo. Say what the American say. Yeah, if you be record label, focus on your artist. Say artist no. So I said then cry. Who focus on no? Oba be kese. Artist says artist na. Oh, the one to say omo ya kese for na. To be shown artist for mo de bebo show. Artist for. You know they believe your artist or what? Record label there. I will say onye ema artist enye ma ho mo de mo pa they say oh and that's a record label when they are there we no bo someone na man ye mo fans no mo jinchi ada omo artist on mother say they make us what here then them artists no even get hit song then them artists no they do anything omo full stage crack ko enye sana we say so what here we don't do that. If you're a record, focus on your artist. Make sure say go on in your artist. If you don't have that heart, to push for somebody to win, stop it. Say only sa command say me the musica baba be shade we mu dia my boy ye win. Stop it. Say what's a record label? Now person artist for never shining. Now you won't make the members of the label rather shiner. And they say why now? And they say fan fool be now you they do your artist. Because if you should be record, everything should be focused then based on your artist. Everything you for headline your artist first. You know before anybody else to go come inside. You they get me. But there are some record label amu per glory need their mom. You they understand? They just want that whole you are I know they sing. The person way they sing you there. You have you now you say you manage the person, but you now you are in a competition with the person. No. You just think about this. So you say you are a label. You have artists that you manage, but you don't showcase your artists. You showcase your record. So who you they help? You they try to help your own self to get the fame, make people say, yeah, and this record, if it then be that, whilst your artist just did some place. Or people being Obiapo or people or artist. But you don't focus on them, you focus on yourselves, on your selfish life. Now makofa Kofobi di dimochi no more cause distraction. If you don't focus on your artist, there's no way you reach the top because if the artist will take you to the top. Artists no will be costly. You go put your money, that is fine. But if the artist go make the money where you put in go be useful. So if you do anything, do it for the artist. Don't do it for the record. Because the record won't get paid if the artists don't work. So why are you doing it for the record? Why do you want why do you want the glory for the record and not for your artist? Munisa kumana my mama mbe fanfu ye. My mama fire mbe srese mbe ye plastic smile na fi deep down no dream fufuro bi na taichi. Do you understand? You see why I caption I'm the ruler? Because they born me to be a ruler. You they understand? So if we there you day way, as he say you be selfish way, they focus on yourself and not even the record or the brand, I go dog you. And now I see the people where I for dog them more. You they understand? Yeah, because hey, that old pa. At the 19th, no, na need them, 19th, no, na then you know they come to two, Anna. Which artist? Which artist will go through the streets like that? And then why? Then you know they there. Then you know they there. Then yeah. So you for know. Say we know they watch nobody before we they do our thing. No? Since the gift, you know go fit take the gift from me. If you they do thing way you be wrong, I go bone you. Because if I bone you, me I still get my gift. And I go make use of my gift. Gift nobody fit take from me. Until me the be wa me home. As far as I get the gift, if you play where you play, go that side where you no play, I go bone you. Yeah, we say, and then I see everybody they focus on himself. If you want focus on yourself and you get a label, 10 artists. If you be record label owner and you want glory for yourself, 10 artists make the right song for you, then sing your thing. You understand? If you be record where your artists know them a shine self, they pay you. You get record label. Where you say you they push artists, if your artists that put them a shine self, they pay you. So you now, if you start to do music for yourself, if you don't go feel right, go buy them, then sing. Because I see some records they want glory for themselves, and they don't be for them artists. Do you understand? Yeah. That be how the whole thing day. Because if you have vision for your artist, anything you go try showcase your artist. Me, my Tema people, them themselves they know. Say no be nobody give me the platform. It be the street, it be the fans where they give me the platform. Nobody give me platform. You understand? Opa Kotema na kona kubisa. Say who is say he give Nautica platform? Nobody. It be the street. It be the fans where I have now. It be them where they give me the platform. You know be nobody. Because you people want a platform safe. It be persemin kuminya platform. Won't tonyum. Then so artists for ne ya dia na ubo say ya. Artists for ne ya. You want the glory for yourself. You too are, they do music, but you say you won't have a record. Fine. If you have a record, why are you in competition with your own artists for? You won't can't 10 big past your artists. You hear some before. What be that? Do one. Support the artist. If the artist reach the top, that be where your record too go reach the top. You understand? But you no go do the thing for yourself. They say manti and I said dainty. Na man say hey record for we munio na your mode. A man who am artist part, they don't even point to the artist. Say hey, this artist he did this record. It be them not make that thing happen. And it be so, every artist go pass through on a hand, and if he left, the artist go blow, and one I still go dead there. Because one our vision is not for the artist. One our vision is for one ourselves. Selfish life, selfish interest. That be why you people, that be why any artist go left on a hand, the artist go blow. Then now you people they chase some, they prepare and say can't play show. Move to your Musa say make they can play shows. Yeah, because the time then the day or when you have that opportunity to have them for yourself, oh jama wankasa home. Do you understand? Oh jama wankasa home. Me, I feel come online and can't talk anything with me I want because nobody put me on. Be the street. Yeah, that be where the loyalty day. Who will say put me on? Apart from the street, apart from the fan base where me I create, who will put me on? But see now see something. Now we the play show the food the whole street from end to end. And you bia ne so me pansemo. We have big artists in the Itema. Sako demo a year to be money at there. But me, nobody give me credit. They understand? But I do my thing. The streets, they give me credit. So far as the street, they love what I do. And so far as me myself, I dey love what I dey do. I go do one regardless. You know, be you go show me what I for can do. You understand? Enti no nya, enya mimi hunti, and I'll boka fun where there be. If the streets they love you here say obe boka, and they are here maybe. See that me can catch you say greatness. You know they need plenty things. Yeah, greatness. You know they need plenty things. Then here be brave. It's just a little touch, and you go be great. And when you answer back fire, then no chest say you are great. Kofawe bra. No, they do for them a record. They know they do for them an artist. They do say they go talk say, oh, and this record they do this, they do that. Where they go call this artist, they go call that artist, they go call this. That be all they define. They go call this artist, they go call this artist. Hey, hey, Charlie, this record, if they do show, hey, this artist they come on, this record, if they do this artist they come on. That be all way they define. That be all. But they don't go talk say and them are artists, no. Hey, he do some song where everybody they jump to him. Hey, them are artists in itself. Now other artists they do and they won't come closer to them are artists. They know they get that kind of vibe. You they understand? They know they get that kind of vibe. Me ye show do me manya mo bia me ma me ho ne Tema 4. I did a show for Tema and myself. Yeah. Me mo be pressure me kume. Me mo be pressure man me ko titiska ko fan ko be ma say akwa pressure na me titiska. And they will be said this year there will three be boom. You don't understand? If you they do show where you call me, where they show they Tema, where I tell you say pay me. Why you for complain? Che say ye ka say entiade ofia antie ye no mo antie mo de jimie kwa na to mo ne competition ye ka mo nyansa sem say ade ofia antie ye no jimie kwa ko si asem kwa na kamo. You understand? Me if you can't do show where I tell you say pay me, go fi pay me. What board down? Ntina ka me mbra be jina hono mo. Nyeden. The people where you people go pay made the can't play show for them. Who go fi kill the show pass who? I'm going to say si asema kwa ya be sere kra eti fieri pa de tiondidi. That be a lifestyle of a typical black greedy man. If it me there you they stay house, so me they are no go chop. If it me there you dey house, so me they are no go chop. Where me then you day house, and what you they do for me where if you reach my tenor, you no won't make me a job. What you they do for me? The difference say be you then me day house where yes you are in support of the boy. You are not in support, you are in a secret competition with the guy. That be the whole thing. If me then you day house. So me there no go chop. Now pa. Yenye juma ma bonting for. If you guys say me they strive, I they strive to get fame, then some money, then take go give people for we outside. You crazy. I know they strive, find fame, the money go give people for outside. I dey strive for the money, then the fame for my people for house, for my people for Tema. That be why I dey hustle for the fame. Enti me nya de enko fa abonti su nipa enko tam scan ko momo na fie for no ma febe. Na maka say you be there, you dey house. So can play free show. See asema kwako. Me then you dey house, so can play free show. What you they do for me? What you they do? You do photo shoot for me. You take me go studio, go do something. My studio for the down there. You know the number of upcoming artists where they go there. And they go there, my studio, me the upcoming artists, we they sit down, we they vibe, we they chill, we they do everything. That be the love. You know, we say this thing. Because they are the reason why I know they can't blow the go they do plus way. No. And they can't blow them, can't do plus my upcoming artists for them. I make them to the blow. I know they can't blow them, go do plus those people from some place. That one I know go do. I know they do that. You understand? I know they do that. Me be blow na me fang enkoye. If you guys say, I know they strive for some people, they do it for my people. Go ask. The show where me I do. Every time an artist where I put them on the bill. Every time an artist where I put him on the bill. I know what I'm. If you like, go ask them. I paid everybody. Why them no me then them no have some kind of relation. We are friends, we are close. But when it came to my show, I for pay them, I for motivate them, make they can do. It be how much we I give them. You know, be no money. And yes, but I they respect their work. You I they see. The artists are put there for to me. Everybody they so the tema artists me no be say, but I do not because say any panic charge me but just that respect, just that love. Because SAS can me fan koma obi wa bontini. Me fan be ma e wa bontin. There be me the be ma fie for no. Because you see, say enyum, say enyum nye de cry, you born in prince, you born in prena, you born in prenum Chelsea, a beto asum. And to say me will be it be my people, we are the take come support them. You understand? Then you go, can't do show. And then, competition, yeah, come. Or we did a boxing inside. We know they compete. Me, I don't wake up where I think of anybody. If I wake up, how the fans go keep on, they give me unconditional love. That be what I did think. She me say me pia bonte na se manti me dia. Ne me say my baby bonny. So me always the praise. Hey, me pia no ne. Me say me pia bonte no bi anka obi am bo me dia. Me say hey, ade ne challenge de na my. That be the whole show. So enya ho pese me nkuminya. If you be record. Focus on your artist. Say one also be. Enya wana wo say obi wakofa obi ba onu tini be bia onu se obeye nyum. Onsuma wana wo say obi akofa na wa be manage no to put him at the top. So why you go take him? Then you the arm they compete. Then you want the fame past the artist. And then Johnny, everything where you people go do, it be for you people, it not be for the artists. Everything where you people go do, it be for you people, not be for the artists. Why? Oshana se unia kumana enye. Ushena se upe fame ko pay bi fufro ye. Emfa wa on artist any conform be ko me. Then I go do show. Then I go headline some people. Then I go leave myself for there, or I go leave my artist then for there. You saw me. Why? It be for them way me I want. You people they I want to share here because then when I go carry do, go give this person, just because they want to compete plus the ruler. The ruler too will be something small pay way they take the body you. But sabi be to ano. A change who side they feel say it be something big and it be big say be big too be because the greatness is there. I no forgo the change me family come Jimmy Papa. Once I get artists for there. Or your artists they pedal, them no go fit play show fill the street. Me alone, I go fit play show fill the street. Share the street go pack double me no artists. The street go full up. Met me a Jinamenasa Boshu ama me fans 5 hours non-stop. His songs in Kwa Yambo Bianji. If you performing 5 hours non-stop, nobody in song dance. And if you drop, everybody go sing along. You understand? Everybody go sing along. Yeah. Me, my gift, you know, if you take from me. So me, if you do something you know, I go bone you. But me, I bone you. You know, they take my lyrics from me. Because me, self, where the lyrics they come from, self. Me, self, I don't know. It be you where you go know. Oh, na only. Me, self, where they do the music, self. Where the lyrics they come from, self. Me, self, I don't know. So if you go know. So you don't go feel stop that kind of zeal. So talent, you know, untivinje. Et you know, I know that me debe boni u debia. I know that me debe boni u debia. Debia me fairly street na ma. You go there where you go watch. Have you say one competition? Me I no get time for competition. Me need time. The here say me here nyom no kama. I mean they are two and I'm for abo ajeje. You dey understand? You no be anything. Charlie, you for make your mind day. If somebody dey your house where the person they do well, appreciate them. Say only obi na tifie, then the person they do well, you for appreciate them. You dey understand? You for appreciate the person because the person they do well. Don't be in a competition with the person. Men work competition any the person. The artists where you people go pay, they no pass me. Me. Nobody they give me helping hand. Nobody they put me on. But I they do my thing where I they see success gradually. I they see success gradually. Nobody they hold me. Artists no they tell me sacco them, pay them. Those people all no they tell me. By the who they hold me down. The street. The fan base. You don't understand. It be them they hold me down. So it make I know they do this music for anybody. You ever see say Sako they post me randomly before? You ever see say payday they post the way Sako them they payday them those people they post boys. You ever see somebody they post me? Me the Sako they do song. Sako they post the song once on Twitter. That be all. But me I still there. That one no day man. You know why? Because it be the music I for do. It no be the posting way I for watch. Pay them. They post plenty people randomly. Dako vibes mobile be ye Dako vibes mobile be ye wemu. It be which people they post them. It be hard to beat them. Sako the no money are there. But they forget say adi wo fear na ye. say me a ye ka de bia e no kra o. Say obi be boa wa na ya bontin su nipa. It be just a few people where they feed, they make them where they help people for them a house. It be just a few. Just a few people. So me, if I dey talk Martin, I dey talk, nobody they put me on. Sack, post me on a random before. Say, hey, go check out this. Even I don't even do song where even post on the song. By people from somewhere they do so they said that the way they post on me. Where did they do? You understand? But that one I don't know be the issue. If you no get talent or you no get dream, that be when those things they hurt you. Me, them are more artists come before me. I come. Go ask them, say, if I they tell them, say, make they post me, make they hype me, make they do this thing. Who go catch them up? They no go do. Selfish life in Kwan. They want money. Stars where they start so they find upcoming people they are money. For Scabra and I mean post you. Don't mind me chain about there, you go post me. See ya. See. Tema. If you be upcoming artist, make you not put your eye for those people, know them at top. Do your thing. Do your thing. Sako they win plenty better hours. You win better. You win plenty hours. And to be they win plenty hours. They get huge fan base. But they not go take support you. For support yourself. Yeah. Them are the music industry, the players, they don't do nothing. They don't support anybody. So if you upcoming artists, don't fool your body. They say me I won't go see Sako there, me I won't go see Atubis. Wait, Jimmy Pa, do your own thing. If you be somebody me then Japo no self do song. Go ask him, say he ever post the song. We do song, do video. Go ask him, say if he post them. Kojon cancer. Lowen. Shebebia. Guy free ton. I meet this guy. This guy said, I meet himself. You know, che. But on one kind of me now, if he post it, now they go the screenshot, they post them again. Lil Wayne, he can't perform. He perform, he play Kumerica people, them are songs, them are artists, them are songs. This be love. I say Lil Wayne can't tema. He can't perform Kumerica people, their songs, that be love. Tema, who go someplace, go perform your song for you. The place you there, but you don't want to make you come there. Yeah, I don't know. If you be fear way, they fear. So if you be what to? And they always scratch a papa. Then you go be paralyzed for a very long time. Because your craft people now started. Yeah. It be now safe way we start. Make wanna stop that fan food things. And they tell one if you be upcoming artist where you date them. Don't rely on any artist. Don't rely on any artist. Rely on your street, your fan base. Be them way they go make you. I took this why. Get them send you say go do music. or Saturday saying you say Saturday no say me say me can do music. So if you no post me, you no be my zeal. Nya me deal and family home. But if I do want make the same, make the say if they don't go post to you, you go post your thing. If you be 5 people go watch them, you go do your thing. Make the same because if you they do them every day, you know be the 5 people per go watch them every day. I they tell you. Say you know be 5 people per go. If you they post where be 5 people they watch them, do them. Because you know be the 5 people per go watch them where the end go come. You understand? Eh? Check. You forget believe for yourself. You for believe in yourself. Those times where they do a Yobuto party, they do this party, this party. Me. You people know why? Then I don't know they chase them. I know what can they there. You could tell me say come 4 o'clock, come perform. 4 o'clock was see if you did there. Then people say you people they help. You people go talk say, hey, show me out there fell because you are an upcoming or you are an underground. Then they tell you say can't perform 5 o'clock. Man, check 5 o'clock one all. Eh? Then so you people say you people they support. I talk. Make wanna do one thing for ourselves. Eh? Now support in Eddie Demu back when you be never support you. Some people they take bond them. Say I will say Branabe Buanko for Ube Buanko for regardless. You going to say your last self there, you they take they give some people. But some people wicked. Yawo mo say pesemi kuminya. And so be brave for no few. Yeah. Me I started at the posting 10 likes, 5 likes. But I still they do my thing. Now the 10 likes and the 5 likes, it being they feel the street, you know. And you know na feel the street, you know. So make you know can't put your eye for anybody in top. Me I tell one. I tell you guys. If you from Tema, any Tema artist, any Tema big artist where you want go in there, if they find something from you. Hey, and before I go post you, they don't even post you self. Then they did it. Fan full love. Me, that's why me I say I go always love the street. Make you know fear say or make you know shame say you go see me for street where me then some riffraffs they vibe. Cause it be them they push me. It be them they give me that kind of fame. Say, hey Nana, you know bet me go ask Sako them, go ask you have to be money. If they come them away, they drive around. I'm sure me. If I daytime where they drive traffic in Kwan, I'm gonna block you. I want for that coin so people that sleep for the road top. Go ask Sako them if you ever drive come here where you see people they chase car. You go fit do am if you be upcoming artist. Do am. Me pia me nyauto. Binama. Enye online. You know be. If you guys say be online, you know be online numbers at the talk. That car on Asia, then Thailand, he followers. Shit. Me, which award? Which recognition? But me here show Philly Street. I'm almost someone is award for someone for anymore. They do show you which people where they go. And they talk again. If you be record label where you want the shine for yourself, stop. because your business is to focus on the artist. If you be record label where you want competition plus. Go there. They say me. Now what I know me. You go pay those artists. Go pay them. Then me, they say no go pay me. I talk do no invest. You dey spoil my name for town. And not take say what? Were you not there that night? Did you see the crowd? Those people where you go pay them. Omo ye show anko for saying neko. Omo na komu ti se me. Na komu ye show anka nipa ba ko currency ho. Omo so ma gigi award ne ade no kra. Omo ye show anko for saying neko. It's about time where the Ghana industry itself. I also go for see or make they go see people where they do the work. And no more fan full hype. Fan full hype and kwa me I they do me. See. If you say I get a money where I say I they do music, then you don't know me. Because me I they do music, I they work, go do shows, go this thing. They are not get nothing. Nothing. So don't dare they talk say nothing can get money where you want to do music. So if you go support them and make it bring money, go bring your mother. Go bring your mother. Me, if you like go them, I go ask everybody who know me. Say me, I they do music. Yeah, shout out back this. Me chassis say according to your another person. If you don't go support me, don't dare then they should support me. Oh, supporting me, I mean to support me. Jai Jimmy no, na pay Juma. See aqua. Like what be nice? Hey, say homie be star. So Charlie, me be a show. Homie we see there and the crowd there scar be any home to the Jika crowd. Ude minim say Charlie. Me chauka. Why you be my own boy to the Jika crowd and bra fe. You don't understand? But don't see me say me I know the what. Me I know the chop. Or me I know the what. The people where you go pay them come there. Who go give you that love? Who get that love past me? Who get that love? Cry me tree. Then these people they wanna go see man, they wanna demand they laugh. You see me where you them me laugh. I swear, I be people know Sule. I go make you go slap people. Cause me now I know they slap again. If you see me, don't give me full love. Because you know they even feel they support my music, they give me full love. They make I can't play free show. Can't give me fan. If you they love me, if you they love me as you they claim, pay me like how you they pay those guys where they take their camp play shows. What they will do? They not be big past me. Nana, Tinase, your analysis ye. See, say if somebody they hype me. See, say if somebody they make noise about me, and they make noise for myself, be there by street. You don't understand? Shit. Like it be love where you they show love. Like you, the me no go can they fight over this thing. Be real to yourself. Tell people how much way they pay artists say make they can play show, and be real to yourself. How much I say pay me. Be real. Be real to yourself, man. share. Oh, you should say love. Now, as you say, you people no get love for anybody. So now, say for people make a charge, cry. Me boni moi, money na mo de moi say me family so didi me didi mo atem. I go position people every time. I know they can't do fanfu love again. Cause you people don't know what true love be. You people go be the mona mo sankofona. People around you go they suffer. The people they take the money they give outsiders. You people be that kind of people. Mona. If you people go they buy cars, then things give people. Then people they wash you people wanna things, they wanna sneakers, then they worship you people, and then they still the room, they still they walk around. From full lovers. From full. Now say if say you people be fake cry. So yeah, make if you wanna see me say make wanna pass. Fake lovers. Charlie, shout outs to my fans, the Holy Empire. I say, baby, yes, I'm crassy for way more. Persemin Kuminya for. Persemin Kuminya for. Kenya Minya in Adam, no my baby Pepinina. And you would dare no cry. You would dare no cry. Love. You know love. Charlie, you know, how I hit up, no, it be like I for pause. Because I will go talk some things, some stupid things, show some stupid people. Yeah. Supporting me and family munye for more.
I was for not in some no and no shade they were why name serious. Need they were work as in some eshen and a wo yipie and some hano I was so timidity na a babontain. Sa big artist or more supporting upcoming and as or more magidin kakran so much than ye superstars no. A yardos and organ has a becca ya and maybe a chum Kwame Eugene a video serving the betua bontain now a church and some say impony artists we were bonyum on posting near their day and my mom for be best supporting a bit so bashing ye pass or Kwame Eugene composa na what to be anya young who acquire a befa so at the aye. Sako de nipa bin so na amount for binu bebe na bonachi and I want support and I'll copy collabo Jews can insend bebe or stingy no one send na edoso but na send on Instagram on Facebook and Twitter handles are young artists for ni bit me bon oh no post no money punish shout out na their day na not a dear said o sim air can nim di ono nko ayem oye video we beto abonte na manfo bebe na nkasa akasa fa binum se bia na ono ankasa personal no ni suban bi na enkoye anase suban bi na wada na di atrom inti na support ohia no omo en support no ebinum to say aja bebo onyon one by ye nti won ka bi nti se wonyo bi a omonyo na de be ye post e des e bia nka wakoso abonyom obo homoden die na se ye support wa betumi aka enso amanfo ka de edoso nye pa Ghana ne medikin aka bibi ni a amanfo ebe kire madwe ni nyina ena ma democracy e da no nso waje nkire ene sen betumi da fa comment section na won watch wa adwen kama notika ene yaten kan ye hwe ani mu ahwe se nsem ye wa ba be kan support na we hia no obenya anasestel na bagana fo binum se men kan kire ne se ono agasa enyom no so de ba won fam na nyese bia be bonyom 1 or 2 bi na watia da air support ni nyina so be bo homodem because etimi upcoming any young artists omo bon homodin a impenifon air support omo yie panti ono so won hye ne sapomunsi omo de na bibia ni a on fam na bonten tentem se de be obenya maximum support na ohwehwe no me dey ene ka chire na akosia makram